Are you thinking of keeping your home and finding another home, either in LA County, Orange County, or Riverside County, but not too sure what the process looks like? You're not alone. Many people are thinking the same thing with this market. Stay tuned. In this video, I will go over the simple process to keep your home and buy another home in 3 easy steps. Welcome back. I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. There are many uncertainties going on with real estate, but one thing I know for sure is that more homes are coming on the market, homes are staying on the market average 11 days, and home price are normalizing, which is a good sign for buyers. Which leads sellers asking, what if I want to keep my home and buy another home? That's a great question. Here are the 3 easy steps to get some understanding. First step you want to do is get together with a professional real estate agent who understands how to break it down for you. At the end of the meeting, you will understand what the numbers are and if that new monthly mortgage payment is good or not. Second step is to get together with a professional loan officer to get pre-approved. Last step, go out and home shop with your agent. Sounds easy, right? Not necessarily. I understand everyone's scenario is different, and that's why it's best to book a buyer consultation first. If you would like to do that in my area or another area, give me a call. My info is below. I want to update you also about my seller's client. Praise Yah, we are now in escrow for her home. Also, I've been going out showing homes and writing offers. The goal is by this week or next week, getting my client into escrow on buying her next home. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and hit that notification bell so you can follow my journey. If you have a referral for me, please go to ben10k.com. Again, ben10k.com and let me know. See you on the next video.